Greetings to the citizens of India. Are you an active social media user? Do you post frequently on online platforms like social media and all? Are you a journalist working independently? Are you an activist working independently or within an organization? Then this video is for you. As we are aware, we are at brink of war with our neighboring country Pakistan. This is an emergency like situation. Recently, the Ministry of Home Affairs has asked all the states, including the union territories, to invoke the civil defense laws. There are certain laws which play a very crucial part during the times like emergencies as wars and epidemics. There are such other acts like Public Safety Act, Armed Forces Special Powers Act and Internal Security Act and also UAPA Act as we all know. These acts gain more power during the times of emergencies. It is very important for us to know the law of the land because a simple social media post or a simple tabloid in a newspaper or a simple video on a news channel can land you in prison. Trust me, most of these cases can be non bailable. Since it is against the integrity of a nation, since it is against the sovereignty of India, these issues are not taken lightly. So, before you post anything on social media or online platforms, news channels, airing shows, or radios or newspapers can also be restricted and blocked by the government of India. If you are speaking anything against the stand that is taken by India, then you are defaming the country. And such acts can cause public nuisance and also escalate the situations more drastically. The main goal in the emergency situations is the public safety and ensuring that no escalating situations happen and ensuring that misinformation is not spread or ensuring that the interests of the country are protected. So it is very important to understand that the priorities and interests of the country are paramount and will supersede your our opinions in times like emergency. Government of India is empowered by the Constitution under Article 352, where it can declare emergency, and under Article 358 and 359, it can impose reasonable restrictions on the freedoms of its citizens. Freedoms which were given by Article 19 can be imposed to reasonable restrictions. So, what is Article 19? Article 19 gives you your freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly, that is gathering, freedom of movement, that is travel, freedom of residence, that is you can choose to live at any place you see fit in entire India. So these freedoms listed under Article 19 of Indian Constitution can be imposed with reasonable restrictions. You might be asked to refrain from posting anything in public forums. You might be asked not to gather as a crowd. Article 19 is imposed with reasonable restrictions, whereas Article 20 and 21 remain unaffected. Largely, Article 20 speaks about the conviction, and also Article 21 speaks about our right to life and personal liberty. Need of the hour is that we try to be responsible, vigilant, aware, and also de-escalate the situations rather than escalating it. Also keep in mind not to spread fake information because we've been seeing a lot of fake information that is traveling around in circles in social media. So do not post any unverified information that can be a threat to the national interests. Let us all stay safe, brave, strong, responsible, aware, and with caution and with brotherly love towards each other. Thank you for watching till the end. This is an attempt at educating the citizens of this country. Be aware of their rights, be aware of the law of the land so that we can flourish as a society. It is important that as a citizens we are aware of the law of the land because ignorance of law is not an excuse. You cannot say that I did not know this law, I be exempt. No, that does not work. So we are supposed to be aware of the law of the land and be well versed with it and stand by it and follow it as good citizens of India.